Ross Gerber is not your average investor, he's a financial rock star. Based in sunny Phoenix, Arizona, he's the CEO of Gerber Kawasaki Wealth and Investment Management. Ross is known for his bold moves and outspoken style. He's always making headlines with his market predictions. Lately everyone is talking about his big shift away from Tesla. This isn't just about ditching one stock for another. Ross is changing his entire investment philosophy. He's moving away from high-growth tech companies and embracing more traditional sectors. He's looking for value and stability in a market that feels anything but stable. What's driving this change of heart? Is Ross just being his usual contrarian self? Or is he onto something big? Let's dive into his reasoning and see if we can decipher the Oracle of Phoenix. For years, Ross was a Tesla bull. He loved Elon Musk's vision and believed in the future of electric vehicles. But lately, he's grown increasingly bearish on Tesla's stock. He sees too much risk and not enough reward at its current price. Instead, Ross is placing his bets on companies like Nvidia and JP Chase. He sees Nvidia as a leader in the booming artificial intelligence market. He's impressed by their projected earnings growth and stock buyback program. As for JP, Ross is bullish on bank stocks in general. He expects deregulation to boost their profits. He likes JP's low price-to-earnings ratio compared to the S&P 500. This shift from high-growth tech to more value-oriented stocks is a telling sign. It suggests that Ross is getting cautious about the market's future. Ross's newfound love for value extends beyond the stock market. He's been selling off his Bitcoin holdings and buying gold. He's concerned about Bitcoin's volatility, especially after its recent post-election surge. Gold, on the other hand, is seen as a safe haven asset. It tends to hold its value during times of economic uncertainty. With the Trump administration's policies creating a lot of unknowns, Ross sees gold as a smart hedge against potential market turmoil. This move into gold is a clear indication that Ross is worried about the bigger picture. He's not just trying to pick individual winners and losers, he's preparing for a potentially bumpy ride in the markets. So what does Ross Gerber's portfolio look like now? It's a mix of old and new, reflecting his evolving investment strategy. He's still holding some tech stocks, but he's also diversified into other sectors like financials and energy. He's bullish on GE Vernova, the renewable energy arm of General Electric. He sees huge potential in the clean energy sector. He's also intrigued by TKO Group, the parent company of UFC and WWE. He believes live entertainment has strong growth prospects, and he's optimistic about Disney, especially with the recent success of their streaming service. Ross Gerber's investment decisions always generate buzz. His recent moves away from Tesla and into gold, along with his interest in companies like Nvidia and JP, paint a picture of a seasoned investor adapting to a changing market landscape. Only time will tell if his predictions are on point, but one thing is for sure: when Ross Gerber talks, Wall Street listens.